YouTube?
So we are back with another video. Today we are doing a mukbang / story time.
I couldn't wait. I'm already eating.
Bruh. Story time or whatever. I don't know. Whatever this turns out to be. Yeah, we got some Raising Cane's. If y'all know what that is.
The paniac combo. Get it every time.
We don't got that. We didn't get that.
Oh, the box combo. I'm getting the paniac. The box combo. No coleslaw. Hey.
I give it like an 8 out of 10. Okay, so what do you want to? What story do you want to tell now?
We can tell them how we met. Demner.
How you what?
We hit that shoulder lean on it.
You didn't do nothing, so chill out.
Look, let me turn. Look.
Okay,
put my hat on the right way because I ain't capping. I
okay, so
on some yeah.
All right, so I gotta tell y'all the backstory first. The backstory. So when I was in 7th grade, I was in junior high school, but I went to a high school, which he went to, but we didn't know each other. And can you open this? We didn't know each other. Like, I was in 7th grade. He was freshman. So
big time, you know what I'm saying? Shortest player on the basketball team, talking to the seniors and all that. You know, on that big time freshman dog. But yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, I was in 7th grade. He was a freshman, and we had the same gym period. So I would always see him whenever, like when I went to gym class. And I had like the biggest crush on him. Like, I would always tell my friends, like, one day that's gonna be my boyfriend. And
she stood on that.
Look where he is now. But okay, so yeah, I would always tell my friends, like, that's gonna be my boyfriend. So years went by, and I had posted on my Instagram story.
I don't even know how I followed it, but
I had posted on my Instagram story, like, I message games, and he slid up. And he slid up, so we exchanged numbers and all that.
Got to beating her butt both. She didn't win one game.
You're capping. I honestly don't remember, so I ain't gonna say you capping, but
I just beat you on every game last night.
no, because I won in Cup Prom. So, where was I at? We exchanged numbers, and we started playing the games. Then, after we played like a couple games, he wanted to try to start conversation. And we started talking.
Got straight to it.
We started talking, and then
he
would always try to come and see me, and like I would make up an excuse on like why he couldn't come, or like why I couldn't come, or something like that. And one night he actually like came to see me.
Slid.
And we were just talking, we was chilling in the car. Yes, that was it.
She's talking.
I'm capping.
We did not know. I gave her a hug. I'm like, get out.
Why are you capping?
You did.
Yeah, cap. So months went past. Like, we were still talking. But he wasn't applying no pressure. You feel me? So I ended up getting a boyfriend. Like, a minute went past, and as soon as me and him broke up, here he goes sliding in my DMs.
No, not as soon as they broke up.
Anyway, after he goes sliding in my DMs again. And this time it was in the summertime, so like
I was at on the pull up, spend the night. We was on that.
right after I went to prom. It's like we were just with each other every single day, every day, every day.
You know what I'm saying?
Like we would just be chilling like every day. I guess he decided to make me his girlfriend.
Tough. Now you're in prison for the rest of your life.
Now here we are.
3.5 years later.
Yup. But that's just my side of the story.
Oh, I can tell my side of the story on what, you feel me, what I remember from you.
What?
So I was at school, feel me? I was on FaceTime with my friend Michaela.
Oh my God.
I was on FaceTime with my friend Michaela. And her and Natea was cool type. You feel me? I think Natea must have got on the camera, or I seen Natea and she was like, I know him, I follow him on Instagram. He cute. I'm like, damn, hold on, who the heck? Hold on.
Boy,
Hey. I'm like, okay. So then I'm like, bro, who is that, bro? I had Michaela slide me to, you feel me, the IG. That's when I really tapped in on some low-key cool, but at Addicts, I didn't really, you feel me? I ain't peep. But like Solo Minati said, she want me.
our story ain't really like, he slid in the DMs.
Now she finna be my BM.
No.
That was tough, huh? That was hard. I'm capping for sure. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This right here, he.
Bro, how you almost doing?
It's 5. They gave me 5 of them.
Oh.
They was only supposed to give us 4. They was 5 of them.
Yeah, I did Daniel's hair. I gotta go home and do mine. Cause I look a mess.
That dread here.
It's not even dreads.
Got that. Yeah! You feel me though?
Y'all see who finally driving?
Bro, this ain't nothing new.
Finally.
Don't be capping to them like I don't never drive.
Whatever.
I drive everywhere. I drove to and from
I drove to work.
Cedar Point.
I just went at work.
I drove home from work last night.
But I drove to work.
Okay, I've been driving since then.
I ain't been nowhere today till now. Where we just went was because of who? You.
I made a mistake. I'm human.
Where do you rate the food?
When it's fresh, it's a 9, 8, 9, 10.
It's fresh today?
No, that's by 8 out of 7, 7.5, 8 out of 10.
Is it fresh today?
Yeah, it's fresh, but I just need some like flavor, like Raisin Cane's. I heard you already don't really want to do it, but I think you should, bro. Like, just some different flavors, some garlic parm, some hot.
No, they just need some seasoning on the fries.
Seasoning, salt, all that get, you feel? It's gas, so I wouldn't lie. It's definitely worth the $8 for the box combo. I wouldn't lie. But I'm really smashing, bro.
We need y'all to comment below some stuff. I mean, not comment, but go to our DM And DM us some stuff, like videos that y'all want to see.
Ideas, fellas.
Pranks.
Yeah, send me them pranks.
Vlogs. Challenges. Anything. We got a video, y'all, that we gonna film in a couple days. It's gonna be so funny. Y'all gonna be cracking up. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is yet. But you know, because we already talked about it. But we about to head back home. We give this 8 out of 10 overall. To the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go make sure to watch our other videos, our upcoming videos. Turn on that bell.
Share, shout us out, you know what I'm saying? Promote us, put us on, help us get to where we, you know what I'm saying, striving for.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for all of our videos. Go watch our old videos. And we will see y'all in the next video.
Banger video.
Oh, yeah.
We gone.